When 500 PS, 368 kilowatts, from a high-revving mid-mounted engine meets a purist 1,415 kilograms curb weight, it is time for the term driving pleasure to be redefined. The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS is the new flagship model in the 718 family, an uncomp romising driver's car designed to impress with its lightweight construction, extremely agile chassis setup, sophisticated aerodynamics and unique soundtrack. Whether it is being driven on narrow, winding mountains roads or closed racetracks, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS is king of the compact mid-engined range. On the Nürburgring Nordschleife, it outperforms its sibling, the 718 Cayman GT4, by more than the naturally aspirated flat-six engine, familiar from the 911 GT3 Cup racing car and the 911 GT3 series production model, forms the centerpiece of a sports car that has been designed for maximum driving pleasure. The engine revs as high as 9,000 RPM. Compared to the 718 Cayman GT4, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS has an extra 80 PS, 59 kilowatts, resulting in a weight-to-power ratio of 2.83 kg/PS. Maximum torque has been increased from 430 to 450 Nm. Among the striking features of the new, top-of-the-range 718 are the process air intakes behind the driver and passenger windows. The 718 Cayman normally has small side windows here. The new air intakes improve both the intake airflow and, at the same time, create a thrilling intake noise right next to the occupant's ears. The characteristic air intakes in front of the rear wheels have been retained and are used for engine cooling. Like every modern RS model, the new 718 GT4 RS is exclusively available with the Porsche dual clutch transmission, PDK. This gearbox shifts through its 7 gears at lightning speed and guarantees maximum performance. The gearshift paddles allow drivers to keep their hands on the steering wheel even when changing gear manually. Alternatively, they can use the redesigned selector lever on the center console. The sports low-ratio PDK underpins the incredible acceleration of this mid-engine sports car. The 718 Cayman GT4 RS sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, GT4 with PDK, 3.9 seconds, and has a top speed of 315 km per hour, GT4 with PDK, 302 km per hour, which it reaches in 7th gear.